from Bugeye, guys. That's a diesel Land Rover running in the background, not this Bugeye. This is a long-term ownership Bugeye. Been in one family for many, many years. We're gonna completely rebuild this thing mechanically. Needs a whole new wiring harness, and we'll redo the dashboard and upgrade the gauges, or return the gauges to stock, I should say, along with tons of other improvements. But along the way, what we need to know is, how is this transmission? We know from looking inside the transmission that it needs a throwout bearing, but before we remove it, we've rigged up this little test board so we can start it. We don't want to fix the right stuff yet. In other words, we wanted to temporarily be able to start and run it, and then we can test the transmission. So here's first gear. Good at this, you should be able to hear, I'll turn it off, you should be able to hear there's a bit of a clattery noise. So there's a whine. All these are non-synchro first gear, but there's a whine from that non-synchro design, the way these gearboxes are built. They all whine, but this one has an extra clatter. See if you can hear it. I'll do another pass. That extra clatter is what is the problem. That usually means that it's only going to get worse, and then you end up with ngang, 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 and a horrible racket, and that racket means you're all done. So this gearbox is usable, but it's not healthy by any means. And since we know we have to take the transmission out for the throwout bearing, we will change the transmission at that time. Okay, first gear again. Clattery mid-range sound that is the problem, and a new transmission is recommended here from Bugeye Guys.